In this 3 mark subjective question, in the first optional question, they are directing us to draw a label diagram to show interrelationship of 4 accessory duct in human male reproductive system. For this, we are drawing the CBSE pattern picture. In this picture, you can see the vast difference, which is very important for the sperm motility, whereas the duct of the seminal vesicle is circulating the seminal fluid. This fluid is circulating the fructose and calcium for the sperm nourishment. The duct of the bulbourethral gland and the duct of the prostate gland is giving a very good alkaline medium so that the sperm can remain active, and also the interaction between the sperm cells are interrupted by giving this buffer cushion. In this way, if you are satisfying all this illustration by representing all the 4 duct in this picture, we can get 4 mark for this first optional subjective question demand. In this 3 mark subjective question, they are directing us to draw a sectional view of the human ovary showing the various stage of developing follicles, corpus luteum and ovulation. For this, we are drawing the diagram narrating follicle, corpus luteum and ovulation. In this picture, you can see the primordium follicle is making the primary follicle. Why? Because it is a stem cell or a parental cell which makes the primary follicle. The primary follicle is getting differentiated into secondary follicle. Secondary follicle is getting differentiated into tertiary follicle. Tertiary follicle is getting differentiated into graphene follicle. The graphene follicle, once it ruptures, it releases not only the egg, it also makes the corpus luteum from its structure. With this illustration, we are satisfying the 1 mark demand. In the second narration, we need to specify the ovulation is triggered by the gonadotrophin hormones like follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone of the pituitary gland. For this illustration, we are getting another 1 mark. And we need to narrate the corpus luteum formation supports the progesterone production so that the entire pregnancy is carried out appropriately. For this illustration, we are getting another 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 3 mark demand of the second optional subjective question.